Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. So in today's video I thought I would share with you guys my little healthy, quick, easy pancake recipe. I've been making this like nearly every day for breakfast. So yeah, my housemate a couple of years ago actually like showed me how to do this. It's also like vegan friendly, and yeah, it's just super easy and yummy. So here's a little quick video of me making the pancakes. Alright guys, I really hope you guys enjoyed this short little video. Let me know if you tried this recipe out and let me know what you think. Also, I just wanted to mention we just hit 800 subscribers on my channel and I'm super happy about that. So thank you so much for 800 subscribers everyone. Literally getting so close to 1000 subscribers, and that was literally my goal for this year. So I'm super excited to hit that milestone. So yeah, if you're new and you haven't subscribed already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. I post new videos every week. Also have Twitter and Instagram, and I will link that down in the description box, so make sure you go follow me on those if you like. And yeah, thank you so much for watching guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I'm gonna go now. Bye, have a lovely day.